Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Am I audible, visible to all? आज का सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं, देन हम सेशन स्टार्ट करें. हेलो एवरीबॉडी. Hello everybody. Am I audible and visible to all? Let us start the session then. सेशन स्टार्ट करें. Shall we start the session? आज के सेशन में हम जियोटेक के कुछ अच्छे क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे, जिसके थ्रू हम जियोटेक के कुछ कंसेप्ट्स भी रिवाइज करने वाले हैं. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. हमारा सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन आप मेरे साथ साथ सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, सो गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीबॉडी और गुड इवनिंग. स्टार्ट करते हैं फिर आज का सेशन. लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द सेशन. सो कैलकुलेटर्स अपने ऑन रखिएगा. गेट टाइप के क्वेश्चंस हैं जिनके थ्रू हम कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट्स को रिवाइज करने वाले हैं. लेट अस स्टार्ट विद आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. पहला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. पहला क्वेश्चन देखिए जरा जल्दी से. लेट्स सी दिस क्वेश्चन. ट्राई करेंगे, मुझे आंसर बताएंगे इस क्वेश्चन का. गिविंग यू 2 मिनट्स टाइम. जल्दी से मुझे इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर बताएंगे प्लीज. हम साथ साथ में इस क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे. इसको सॉल्व करिए प्लीज. प्लीज सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. आपका आंसर आएगा तभी हम आगे बढ़ने वाले हैं. हेलो एवरीबॉडी. कर रहे हैं आप लोग सॉल्व? वेरी गुड मिस्टर तफकीर। बी वाला सही चेक करिए एक बार। चलिए हम भी इसको सॉल्व करते देखते हैं इसका सही आंसर क्या आता है। देखो यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम दे रखा था, एक सॉइल सैंपल है, वी हैड अ सॉइल सैंपल हियर फॉर विच सम डेटा इज गिवन टू अस। According to this data, we have to mark the correct answer. It is mentioned that this is an MSQ type question. You understand what is an MSQ type question? MSQ type question means there are more than one options that is correct, that is multiple select question. So we have to find the correct answer here. Let us find the correct answer here based on the data given to us. So what is being said that in a soil sample, volume of air, volume of water and solid is given and corresponding weight of air, water and solid is given. So let us first note this data in a phase diagram. So we would be making the use of the concept of phase diagram. We already know what is a phase diagram. You all know, na? You all know about the phase diagram hopefully. So this is a phase diagram in which I will show all the three phases of soil. First one is solid, second one is water and third one is air. Third one is air. Clear hai? Let's solve this. Let us solve this concept. So volume of air is how much? Volume of air is 0.3, volume of water is volume of air is 0.2, 0.3 and 0.5. So volume of air is in cc I am writing, everything is in cc, okay. It is 0.2 cc, okay, this is 0.2 cc here. This is 0.3 cc here and this is 0.5 cc here, okay. जीरो 0.5 cc और क्या डेटा गिवन है, करस्पॉन्डिंग वेट दिया हुआ है। देखो करस्पॉन्डिंग वेट क्या है, वेट ऑफ एयर तो ऑब्वियसली 0 होगा, वेट ऑफ वाटर 0.3 ग्राम्स एंड वेट ऑफ सॉलिड इज 1 ग्राम। तो देखो ये वेट ऑफ वाटर गिवन था हमें, तो ये डेटा भी मैंने यहाँ लिख लिया। Why it is not working smoothly? 0.3 and 1, 0.3 grams and 0. क्या है, sorry 1 grams, it is 1 grams. सारा डेटा मैंने एक जगह लिख दिया। नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट वी नीड टू कंप्यूट हियर। एक एक करके देखते हैं भाई क्या क्या निकालना है। सबसे पहले मुझे बताना है सॉइल पार्शियली सैचुरेटेड है कि नहीं। ऑब्वियसली इन वॉइड वी हैव एयर एज वेल एज वाटर, सो सॉइल इज पार्शियली सैचुरेटेड। अब मुझे है ना यहाँ पर सॉइल का डिग्री ऑफ सैचुरेशन निकालना है। तो सॉइल का डिग्री ऑफ सैचुरेशन कैसे डिफाइन किया गया है, दैट इज वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉइड्स into 100%, यही है, चेक कर लो। सो दिस इज माई डिग्री ऑफ सैचुरेशन ऑफ द सॉइल। सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर देखो कितना है 0.3, वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉइड्स कितना होगा, ये पूरा डेट इज 0.5 इंटू क्या कर दूंगा 100, आंसर वुड बी इन परसेंटेज। तो ये कितना आ जाएगा, डेट इज नथिंग बट इक्वल टू 60%. So 60% is our correct answer. So soil is partially saturated and degree of saturation is 60%. So देखो soil partially saturated है and degree of saturation is 60%. फिर next हमें पूछा जा रहा है what is being asked, we have to calculate the void ratio of the soil. Void ratio निकाल लेते हैं. Void ratio को कैसे define किया गया? Void ratio of the soil, E. Void ratio is represented by a symbol E. E को कैसे define किया गया? That is volume of voids upon volume of solids. This is my void ratio. Into 100 करूँगा तो answer will come out in percentage. So this is my void ratio. Volume of voids कितना है? 0.5 cc. And volume of solids कितना है? 0.5 cc. 0.5 ही होगा, भूल से मैंने इसको 0.55 लिख दिया. This will be 0.5 only. Okay. This is also 0.5. देखो 100% हो गया क्या? This is coming out to be, कोई कैलकुलेटर की जरूरत नहीं पड़ रही. तो void ratio actually 100% है. यहां पर गलत दे रखा है. void ratio 40% नहीं है. void ratio is 100%. वाटर कंटेंट निकाल देते हैं सॉइल का. सॉइल का वाटर कंटेंट कैसे निकाला जाता है? वाटर कंटेंट ऑफ सॉइल इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? वेट ऑफ वाटर अपॉन वेट ऑफ सॉलिड्स इनटू 100 का परसेंटेज. वेट ऑफ वाटर कितना है? 0.3 ग्राम्स डिवाइडेड बाय 1 ग्राम्स इनटू 100 करूंगा. दैट इज इक्वल टू 30%. सो वाटर कंटेंट ऑफ सॉइल इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 30% आ रहा है. सो यही गिवन था मेरे ख्याल से. वाटर कंटेंट इज 30%. सो दिस इज करेक्ट. एंड लास्टली हमें निकालना है सैचुरेटेड यूनिट वेट ऑफ सॉइल. तो देख लेते हैं भाई, गामा सैट जब सैचुरेटेड यूनिट वेट व्हेन वी विल कैलकुलेट the air should be replaced by water, means in the voids of soil there should be water only. There should be water only in the voids. So if I replace this air by water, weight of water will increase. Weight of water will be how much? So when I will calculate gamma sat, can I write like this? That is volume of voids into gamma W. In gram per cc only I will calculate, plus weight of solids upon total volume. Like this can I write? Yes, I can write like this. And in gram per cc only I will calculate. In gram per cc unit weight of water is 1. So volume of void is how much? 0.5 into 1 plus 1 upon total volume is 1 cc only. So you are getting here how much? 1.5 gram per cc is the correct answer. What answer you are getting? That is 1.5 gram per cc is the correct answer. Got my point? Was it simple? So our gamma sat came out to be how much? 1.5 gram per cc. So correct answer is how much? What? ACD. So correct answer is ACD. How many of you have given the correct answer? None. So D, I guess many of you have missed. D was a easier option. You just have to calculate the saturated unit weight that you could have easily calculated using the concept. See, these kind of questions can be done only with the help of concepts. Let us see the next interesting question. Please try this also. Very interesting question. Let us see how many of you will be able to solve this. Very interesting question. With this question we would be able to differentiate between the concept of percentage air voids and air content. If you are facing a problem in percentage air voids and air content, you can easily, if you are not having any problem between AC and NA, then you would be easily able to solve this question. Please try this question now, giving you 2 minutes time. See, in the saturated unit weight, Rahul, please see the unit. Unit was in gram per cc. Therefore, I have substituted gamma W to be 1. Gamma W we are taking as 1 gram per cc. That is equal to 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. One and the same thing. If I take gamma W in gram per cc, it will be 1. If I take the unit weight of water, density of water in kilonewton per meter cube, then it will be 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. So you have to see the units properly to judge the value of gamma W. Okay. So please solve this question. Let us see how many of you will be able to solve this question. Very interesting question. Please give it a try. Very interesting question. Please give it a try. Please give it a try. Please solve this. Let me know if you are able to solve this or not. Do you remember the difference between AC and Na? AC is the air content. How would you define the air content of soil? Do you remember air content? Air content is equal to what? Volume of air upon volume of volts. And Na is percentage air void. I have given you a hint now. How do you define Na? That is volume of air upon total volume of soil. Vv is the volume of voids, whereas V is the total volume of the soil. So this is the difference between AC and Na. Now please try. Please see if you are able to do this or not. Try to do this, please. Let's see if you can do it now or not. Try to do it. See friends, you have to try the questions. Unless you try, you won't be able to realize what can be your mistakes in the question. So these kind of questions can also be done only with the help of phase diagram. If you take the phase diagram approach, the question becomes very simple. Otherwise, you will unnecessarily complicate the things. So try to write down all the data in the form of a phase diagram and then try to solve this question. Try this out, please. Let us do together. Let's see where you are facing the problem. So what it was said that after remolding a dense soil, whenever you will remold the dense soil, its volume will increase. The volume of the void gets doubled. So volume of the void got doubled. So let me make the phase diagram for this situation. See, this is the phase diagram for this situation. This was the initial. Okay. Wait. Okay. Let me make the figure once again. So this is the figure with the void ratio here. So it is being said that the void ratio got doubled after remolding. So this is my dense soil here, it got remolded. After remolding, it's कुछ ऐसा ही है ये. It voids got doubled. Okay, the voids got doubled after remolding. So I will fix all the data here. Then we will see. Okay, let us see. See, this is the solids here. This is the water, solid, water, air. So here also we have solid, water and air, solid, water, air. Okay, let's see what is given here. So the volume of voids got doubled without any change in the water content. See here I can assume the volume of solids to be 1. So I am assuming the volume of solids to be 1. If volume of solid is 1, tell me my dear friends, what would be the volume of voids that is equal to the void ratio E? So this is my volume of voids, that is E. So here the volume of solids remain unchanged, but the volume of voids got doubled. That is equal to how much? That is equal to 2E here. It was said that the volume of voids got doubled. That is equal to how much? That is equal to 2E here. Okay. Then without any change in water content, the water content didn't change. So I have shown that the water content is not changing. You have only remolded the dense soil. Okay. If AC and Na represent the air content and percentage air voids of the dense soil, then percentage air void of the remolded soil is given by. See, AC and Na or this condition is given. This is my dense soil. For the dense soil, AC and Na is given. I have to find the Na for the remolded soil. So for this remolded soil, I need to find out the percentage air voids. Akash, this is not the correct answer, my dear friend. Nobody was able to solve this. Very simple question. Let me show all the data. See, if AC is the air content, then volume of air will be what? See, can I write AC is equal to what? Volume of air upon volume of voids, that is E. This implies volume of air is equal to AC into E. So this AC into E is nothing but the volume of air here. And one more thing, see, I can write here, this is AC into E, that is the volume of air. Okay. Okay. Now volume of water will be equal to how much? 1 minus AC into E, the remaining will be the volume of water. That is equal to how much? That is equal to how much? Tell me, my dear friend. The remaining volume of water will be equal to how much? That is equal to how much? 1 minus AC into E. This is the volume of water. The volume of water remain unchanged. So here also the same volume will exist, that is 1 minus AC into E. Na was given to me. Na is equal to what now? Volume of air upon total volume. Volume of air is equal to how much? AC into E upon 1 plus E, that is the total volume. So find out the relation between E and Na here, and then we will proceed further again. So what you are getting here, E is equal to how much? This implies E is equal to how much? Tell me, my dear friend. So Na into Na, E is equal to how much? Tell me. E is equal to how much? Tell me, my dear friend. Na upon AC minus Na. This is my E here. This is my air that I got from the dense soil. Now the same expressions I would be using for the remolded soil. For the remolded soil, again this volume of water will be same only, that is 1 minus AC into E. This will be how much? This will be 1 minus AC into E. Okay. This will be how much? This was 2E here. Very simple now. This was 2E here. Okay. And this is 1 minus AC into E. So the remaining will be volume of air. So volume of air here will be equal to how much? 2E minus 1 minus AC into E. This is the volume of air here. This is the volume of air here. This is the volume of air here. So this came out to be how much, my dear friends? That is equal to E into 1 plus AC. This you are getting, volume of air. Now Na dash will be simply how much? Na dash will be how much, my dear friends? Now for remolded soil, Na dash will be equal to volume of air upon total volume. Volume of air will be how much? E into 1 plus AC. E into 1 plus AC. Total volume is how much? 1 plus 2E. It's solved or not? Tell me fast. 1 plus 2E. 1 plus 2E is the total volume. So E into 1 plus AC upon 1 plus 2E. So how much you are getting, my dear friends? Tell me fast. E, substitute E from here. So E is equal to Na upon AC minus Na. Now substituting equation 1, what I got? Na dash is equal to what? E, that is equal to Na upon AC minus Na. Na upon AC minus Na into 1 plus AC upon 1 plus Na upon 2 Na upon AC minus Na. Please rearrange this, you will get your answer, that is Na into 1 plus AC upon how much you are getting? That is AC plus Na. So whichever is matching here, this is my Na dash, that is the percentage air voids for the remolded soil. It was a simple question, not tough. If you can represent all the data in the form of a figure, you would be able to do this type of question very easily. See, reading statement is a difficult task, but our human brain can analyze the figures easily. So whenever you are getting complex statement in exam, in soil mechanics or in any other subject, try to represent the data in the form of diagrams, in the form of figure, and then try to analyze. I can assure you, my dear friends, you would be able to find the solution very easily. Okay. So the correct answer is what? That is AC Na into 1 plus AC upon Na plus AC. That is correct answer is C here. Simple question, but very interesting. Now let us see the next variety of questions. So from this question we were able to clear the concept of air content and percentage air void. This concept many of you might be facing a problem. Okay, so let us start the next question. Let us see the next question. Please tell me this. So here you would be making the use of index properties of soil to analyze the situation. Please tell me the answers. This is again MSQ type question, that is more than one option is correct here. Okay. This is an MSQ type question, so more than one answer is correct here. Yeah, yes, volume of solids will be always constant in soil. Volume of solids, because solids in the case of soil are rigid particles. They are non-compressible in nature. They are non-compressible in nature, okay. Solids in the case of soil is non-compressible. Few questions only we will do. Say 8 or 9 to 10 questions we will do, don't worry. Rahul, just solve the questions. Please tell me the answer of this question. Use the index properties of soil. Tell me the answer of this question, please. Let's try to solve this question. Please solve this question, please. Make it fast, please. Try to solve this question, please. So here we have to see three properties of clay X and clay Y is given: liquid limit, plastic limit and natural water content. Which soil experiences larger settlement under identical loading condition? See, the soil which is more compressible will undergo more settlement, and we know that compressibility is a function of liquid limit. So WLY is greater than WLX. Liquid limit of Y is greater than liquid limit of X. This implies soil Y is more compressible, so it will undergo more settlement for identical increase in loading. So Y experiences larger settlement under identical conditions. So first is correct. There can be more than one correct option. This is MSQ type question, my dear friends. Mr. Deepak, Akash, Shubham, this is an MSQ type question, okay. Then X experiences larger settlement, this is wrong. X is more plastic. For plasticity we will have to check IP. So IPX and IPY I will calculate. So plasticity index IP is equal to what, my dear friends? Tell me fast. IP is equal to what? WL minus WX. So IPX, please calculate. What is IPX? IPX is equal to what? 42 minus 20, that is 22. 42 minus 20, that is 22. And IPY is equal to what? What is the plasticity index of Y type of soil? That is 56 minus 34. 56 minus 34, that is equal to 22 again, okay. So IP is same. If IP becomes same, then C for liquid limit. If IP of both the soils are same, then we will see for liquid limit. Since WLY is greater than WLX, so I can say that soil Y is more clay in nature, so it will be more plastic. Since IP is same here, so we will have to check with respect to liquid limit. Therefore soil Y is more plastic. Soil Y here will be more plastic. So here it was written soil X is more plastic, which is wrong. Soil Y is more plastic. Both the soils had same plasticity index. So if the plasticity index becomes same, we should check for the liquid limit of the soil. Next question. Y is softer in consistency. Y is softer in consistency. For consistency, we have to check the consistency index of soil. IC is equal to what? IC, you remember what is the consistency index of the soil? That is WL minus W upon WL minus WP. That is liquid limit minus water content upon natural moisture content was given to me. So 42 minus 30. ICX, IC is what? IC is the consistency index. So ICX is equal to 42 minus 30, that is the natural moisture content, upon plasticity index, that is 22, that is 12 by 22. More is the consistency index, more stiffer would be the consistency of the soil, you already know this. So ICY will be equal to how much? 56 minus 50. 56 minus 50 upon 22 again, that is 6 upon 22. So ICX is greater than ICY. So we have to use the correct index properties of the soil to check the correct engineering behavior. So consistency of the soil will be checked with respect to the consistency index. Since ICX is greater than ICY, so soil X is more stiff, that is stiffer in consistency. Okay. So soil X is stiff, so Y will be softer in consistency. So this one is correct. Since soil X is more stiff, so soil Y will be more soft, that is softer in consistency. So correct answer here, my dear friends, will be A and D. A and D is the correct answer here. Are you getting my point? See, these type of questions you can expect in your exam as well. So with these questions we have analyzed many important concepts of chapter 1. Okay. Let us proceed further. Next concept let us see. Are you ready for the next question? Let us see the next question. Try to solve this question now. Try to solve this question. Water displacement method, you remember? So this question is based on the water displacement method. Please try to solve it. You have to find the void ratio of the soil. You remember with water displacement method, what do you calculate? What do you calculate with the help of water displacement method? Okay, are you getting the answer? No, Shubham, settlement should be seen with the help of compressibility. याद है आपको compression index? Do you remember CC of the soil? Compression index से we are seeing this. CC is equal to what? 0.009. WL minus 10. If WL was more, compression index of soil will be more, and if compression index is more, I can say that the settlement of the soil will be more for same increment of loading. Got my point? So don't see it with stiffer consistency. Stiffness is different. That is nothing to do with the settlement criteria. So therefore I am saying that whenever you get these type of question, you have to use the correct index properties to analyze the correct engineering behavior of the soil. Okay. Have you got the answer here? So this is water displacement method. First we will calculate the gamma T of the soil, and then I would be calculating the void ratio of the soil. Let us see this. Let's see. A sample of dry soil is coated with a thin layer of paraffin and has a mass of 460 grams. Total weight of soil with the wax is 460 grams. It was dry soil. For dry soil, total weight is weight of solids only. So weight of solids plus weight of wax was given to me. That is equal to 460 grams. Okay, that was given to me. That is equal to 460 grams. It displays 300 cc of water. So volume of water plus volume of wax is 300 cc. Volume of water plus volume of wax is 300 cc. Volume of solids plus volume of wax was equal to 300 cc. This was also given to me, hai na? So with the wax it displays this much amount of water. It's correct, Rahul. Very good, very good. You have got the correct answer, Rahul. Very good. Let's see then next. The paraffin is peeled off and its mass was 9 grams. The weight of wax, paraffin is paraffin wax. So weight of wax we got as 9 grams. 9 grams is the weight of wax. Okay. If the specific gravity of the soil solids and paraffin wax was given 2.65 and 0.9, GS is given to me. G of soil is 2.65 and G of wax is 0.9. Okay. This was given to me. Okay. Respectively, the void ratio of the soil is nearly. So void ratio is how much? Void ratio of the soil we have to calculate. Let us calculate the void ratio of the soil. See, from this data, can I calculate the weight of wax first? Yes, weight of wax was given, therefore weight of solids I can calculate. Weight of solids is equal to how much? 460 minus weight of wax, that is 9, that is 451 grams. Now volume of solids also I can calculate. Volume of solids will be equal to 300 minus volume of wax. Volume of wax will be 9 upon 0.9 into gamma W, that is 1. So how much you are getting here? 290 cc. So gamma D will be equal to how much? See, I need to calculate void ratio, for which I will use this formula. Gamma D is equal to weight of solids upon total volume is equal to GS gamma W upon 1 plus E. Weight of solids is 451 grams. Total volume of soil is 290 cc. I have calculated. GS is 2.65. See, when everything was in gram per cc, so gamma W should also be in gram per cc. So I am taking it as 1. Since every unit is in gram per cc, so gamma W also I am substituting it in gram per cc only, that is 1 upon 1 plus E. This implies void ratio of the soil E is equal to how much? 2.65 into 290 divided by 451 minus 1, that is 0.7. I have to report the answer in 2 decimal places and it is coming out to be 0.7. Rahul have got the correct answer. Very good, Rahul. So this is the correct answer, that is 0.7. So 0.7 is the correct answer. So these type of numericals you can expect in your exam as well. So this is the numerical on water displacement method. So see how we have used this data. First I have computed the gamma d. See, this water displacement method is used to determine the unit weight of the soil. Since the soil was dry, so the unit weight that we obtained of the soil was the dry unit weight. So using the dry unit weight, we have easily calculated the void ratio of the soil. Okay. Shubham is facing a problem. If WL becomes constant, Shubham, what are you saying, beta? If WL is constant, then WP will also be constant, na? Because IP is same, IP is WL minus WP. Shubham, whatever you are saying, try to write it. You are writing an absurd statement, beta. Think before asking, Shubham. Chalo, last question of the evening, please solve it, then we will wind up this session. Last question of the evening, please solve it, then we will wind up the session. Let us see how many of you will be able to solve this question. Please solve this question now. Please solve this question. Try to solve this, please. Shubham, try to solve this. This question you should be able to do. Classification of soil, you have to classify the soil here. This type of question we have done in the class as well. Try to solve this question, please. Very good, Rahul. Rahul have got the correct answer. Very good, Rahul. SC is the correct answer. Let us try to solve this. So first I will write down whole data, then we will proceed further. Sieve analysis on a dry sample of soil of mass 1000 grams. The total mass of soil is, total weight is how much? 1000 grams. Total weight of soil is 1000 grams. So then it was said what? Sieve data I am representing. 980 and 270 gram of the soil passes through 4.75 and 0.075 mm sieve. 980 and 270. So 4.75 mm sieve. How much soil passed? 980. So how much is remaining on this sieve? That is 20 grams. So 20 grams is the soil that is retained on this sieve. 75 micron sieve, 270 grams was passing, my dear friends. So in between this, how much soil is there, you can tell me? So 290, 1000 minus 290 is how much? 610 grams. Correct? Sorry, 710 grams. Now it is correct. So this is gravel, this is sand, and this is fines. This is what? Fines. You can see that the coarse fraction is greater than the fine fraction. So it is a coarse grained soil. Coarse fraction. Coarse fraction is greater than the fine fraction. Only seeing the data I can analyze many things here. This implies coarse grained soil. This is a coarse grained soil. And the coarse grained soil is effectively sand because larger number of particles are of sand only. Coarse grain, that is sand. Coarse grains are sand. Now we have to talk about fines. Percentage fines is equal to how much, my dear friends, here? Percentage fines is equal to how much? 270 upon 100, sorry 1000 into 100, that is 27% fines. So percentage fines are greater than 12%. This implies case 3. That is, here we will have to check for the nature of fines, whether they are clay or silty. Accordingly, the name can be SC or SM. For checking the nature of fines, we will have to make use of the plasticity chart, that is the A line. For that, I would require the concept of liquid limit and plastic limit. Liquid limit is 40%, plastic limit is 18%. Liquid limit is WL is 40% and plastic limit is 18%. So this you are getting here. So the soil may be classified as what? Now let us see the classification of the soil here. So liquid limit, plastic limit we have got here. So IP I know. Now using the concept of A line, we would do the problem. A line, you remember? A line, you might remember only this is IP, this is WL. Here we have a line that is known as A line, having equation what? 0.073 WL minus 20. Is it correct? Please see to it. The equation of the A line, 0.73, sorry, not 0.073, it is 0.73. Okay. 0.73 into WL minus 20. Now we will use this data for liquid limit of how much? See, liquid limit is given to me. IP of the soil is equal to how much? IP is WL minus WP. 40 minus 18, that is equal to how much? 22. Got my point? Now for this liquid limit 40%, I have to calculate IPA also. For liquid limit of 40%, find out the coordinate on this line will be equal to how much? So at WL is equal to 40%. IP on A line will be 0.73 into 40 minus 20, that is 14.6. So the coordinate of this point is 40 minus what? The coordinate of this point is how much, my dear friends? Please tell me. This will be 40, 14.6. 40, 14.6, and our point is above the A line. Our point is above the A line because our IP is how much, my dear friends? Our IP was 22. So 40, 22 is above. Therefore, fines are what? Fines are clay. So like this we judge whether the fines are of silty nature or clay nature. Like this you will judge whether the points get plotted above the A line or below the A line. So correct answer is what? Correct answer is SC, that is clay sand. A is the correct answer here. So many of you have got the correct answer, that is A. So with this we will close the session. Hopefully you have enjoyed the session. So let's close the session. Please see the timetable for the upcoming sessions again. Hopefully you have got through many questions. So these are the flavor of questions that were important for GATE. So if you are able to solve this question, I can say that you are moving in the right track. So all the best. Bye bye. Take care.